This is a quick look at the template that I told you about, the 12-week planner. And again, it's based on the book, The 12-Week Year. System been used by corporations all over the world. No more, nothing else to say other than it works. And it's been taught to corporations and big companies, Fortune 500s. So anyway, this is a look under the hood to see how it works. This is new improved version just released at the beginning of this month. So as you can see, there's many tabs here. There's goal planning, weekly tactics, and then each week 1 through 12. You'll see right here. So I'm going to explain what each one of these does very quickly. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So as you can see here, this is where you do your planning, and the date is specific to when you start. So you can put that in here. And you'll see that there's a date that you automatically put in on this next tab, and I'll show you that in a moment. So each category you have here, business. This could be health. It's personal, but it also is health. So it's things you're doing for your physical, mental, emotional health and your relationships. And so if you have any experience with goal setting, this will be a quick refresher. But you want to have a goal that is clear and concise and that you can measure. So $30,000 revenue or more per month. These are just samples, by the way. You can use them or replace them with whatever you like. And then you want to have a key motivator, which is your why. Because when things go wrong and you feel bad or you don't feel like doing something, you go back to this statement and you read it and review it and think about it, and then you just do it. So this is a business goal. This is personal. Usually something health. This one is all about. This is like heart health, heart and mind health. It can be something physical if you want to get physically fit, and then relationships, something you're going to do to build your relationships. And I get it though, the greater focus is on business. So it might be like 80% business, 10% on each one of these. Or if there's attention that's needed for relationships, then it can be higher. But, most people that come through to work with me are looking for business improvements and income increases. And also I broke it down in here like little sprints, week 1 through 4, 5 through 8, 9 through 12, and what you will do in those sprints. So you break them down. Here as well are tactics and actions that you can take to help this get going. So brainstorm some of those and put them in here, and also some affirmations. And these affirmations are really positive to read every day so that you plug into your mind, you program your mind for the potential that you want it to achieve, for the thing you want. And it's really powerful when you affirm every day. These, again, are samples. You can use them or change them. So once you put this information in here, the goal and the key motivators will automatically be carried over here. They're linked. And so you'll see them there. And this is basically your home base where you get to review everything on a weekly basis, daily and weekly basis. And so what you do here, the only thing you have to really do here is you have to set the start date. So you put the start date in here, and then it will populate automatically the dates in your weekly plans. So and this gets automatically populated as well. So that's why you see all these references in here. It's blank for now, and you'll be able to see your performance in a graph down at the bottom here. Okay, so just quickly, so then. Once you start this plan, you need to have tactics, meaning actions you're going to take. And you want them to be specific dates and times. So let's say it was 11 a.m. on Monday, you said you would do it, and you check at the end of the day and you say, I did that thing. Then you can put a 1 in there. That's all you have to do is put a 1 in there. But you have to put a time in, otherwise you don't put it in your calendar and you don't get it done. And the reason why you put a time in, if you say 11 a.m. on Monday and you put it in your calendar and you don't do it at 11 a.m., then you don't give yourself a 1. You haven't done it. You didn't do what you said you were going to do. So that's the way it works. And these tactics are things you control. Actions you control. Nothing outside of yourself, just things you control. And so you put a 1 in there. So each tactic, you would have different times in there, and you either did it or didn't do it. And then it's going to tabulate your performance. And that's going to show up over here. And as you can see, it's already populating it. And as you can see, the dates are already automatically put in here as well. So that's a quick rundown of how it works. Essentially, you're picking actions that you're going to take, putting them in here, putting them in your calendar, and then tracking your performance on a weekly basis with a partner. You have to do this with an accountability partner, somebody who's going to use the same system, and that way you can look for breakdowns. Anyway, if anything didn't make sense, or if you want more clarity on this, let me know. Happy to help you. Take care.